up in this rusty seat, the leather cracked and worn, keys still feel like home somehow, even though you're gone. The engine coughs and rattles like it's fighting just to run, same as it did back when I was your little girl, riding shotgun. Radio plays your favorite songs, the ones you'd sing off key. Roll the windows down and let the memories wash over me. From these old dirt roads we traveled, you taught me how to live. Now I'm driving all alone, trying to find the strength to give. This is Daddy's truck, still rolling down the line, carrying your baby girl, trying hard not to cry. Every mile marker reminds me of the man you were, the way you loved, the way you worked, the lessons that still hurt. I talk to you like you can hear me through the windshield and the sky. Daddy, I'm still trying. I hope you're proud of me tonight. You said love ain't always easy, but you fight for what is true. Taught me how to change a tire and how to see a good man through. Never give up on dreaming, you'd say with calloused hands. Then you'd pat this dashboard like it was part of the family plan. I can still hear your laughter when the truck would hit a hole. You'd look at me and smile and say, that's how life goes, my soul. Now the seat beside me's empty, but your toolbox is still here. I keep it right where you left it, like you're coming back next year. This is Daddy's truck, still rolling down the line, holding all these heavy memories and tears I can't hide. Every dent and every scratch tells the story of our life. How you raised me tough but gentle, how you showed me wrong. From right I talk to you like you can hear me through the stars up in the sky. Daddy, I miss you. God, I miss you every mile. Sometimes I pull over on the side of the road, lay my head on the steering wheel and let it all go. I know you're watching over me, I feel it in my bones, but it don't stop this aching feeling of doing this life alone. This is Daddy's truck, and I'm still your little girl, trying to live the way you taught me in this big wide world. I'll keep it running, keep it strong, just like you taught me to. And every time I turn the key, I'll send my love to you. Yeah, I talk to you like you can hear me, and I know you do. I love you, Daddy. I'll see you